Hello friends, welcome to today's Bollywood news update. I'll give you all the hot and trending news from Bollywood world today. So do subscribe our channel for regular Bollywood news and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Yash Raj Films Prithviraj Chauhan to resume shooting in October. Akshay Kumar is back to shooting in full swing. Even as the numbers of COVID infected grows, film shootings are getting back on the track. While Akshay Kumar is shooting in Scotland for Bell Bottom in September, we now hear Yash Raj Films intends to return to shooting of Prithviraj Chauhan from October. Sunny Leone enjoys the hot Los Angeles weather in a navy blue monokini. Sunny Leone, who is in the US along with her husband and 3 kids, is sure having the best time with her near and dear ones. The actress often gives a glimpse into her daily life on Instagram. On Monday, Sunny Leone took to her social media handles to share a stunning picture of herself enjoying the weather in Los Angeles. She is seen dressed in a navy blue monokini and completed the look with a hat. She is seen posing right outside her house, soaking up for the sun. Salman Khan's Bigg Boss 14 to begin on October 3. Bigg Boss 14 is one of the most awaited reality shows of India television, and needless to say, it has a massive audience. The show has been in the news for a couple of months and the fans are eagerly waiting to see what the makers have in store for them this time. Salman Khan will be hosting the show and the promos went viral on the air. If the reports are to be believed, then the reality show is all set to premiere its pilot episode on October 3rd. Rhea Chakraborty files a complaint against Sushant Singh Rajput's sister. Rhea Chakraborty is said to be the prime accused in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Her brother Shavik Chakraborty is already in the custody of the NCB and Rhea too is being questioned by the officials. The latest reports in the news channel suggest that Rhea has filed a complaint against Sushant's sister for sending a bogus medical prescription for Sushant. She has claimed that his sisters fed him drugs. Kartik Aaryan's wait for the vaccine has won hearts on internet. Kartik Aaryan is one of the funniest actors in B-Town right now. You just have to see his Instagram post to know the actor's sense of humor. His posts are quirky and wallows leave netizens in splits. Kartik's latest post where he waiting for the vaccine has gone viral once again, leaving a huge smile on his fans' faces. Shahid Kapoor to resume work on Jersey this month. The pandemic is in full force, but the unlockdown phase has allowed the film industry to put itself back on track. Several filmmakers have commenced shooting already. Shahid Kapoor was waiting for the Hindi remake of the Telugu film Jersey before the pandemic. Now, according to reports in a daily, the actor is all set to hit the pitch again. Shahid Kapoor will start shooting for Jersey by the end of September, according to the reports. Ishaan Khattar, Ananya Pandey's Terror to premiere directly on newly launched OTT platform. Another Bollywood movie has become a victim of the ongoing theatrical shutdown across the country as it's headed for a direct OTT release. The latest to join the steadily unwinding queue is Khalipili, starring Ishaan Khattar and Ananya Pandey, which will premiere directly on 2nd October on the newly launched OTT platform Gplex, a recently unveiled pay-per-view service. Ranawat says BMC will demolish her Mumbai office. Nothing illegal in my property. Looks like my dream is going to be destroyed. Kangana Ranawat has said that the BMC is going to demolish his Mumbai office. She took to Twitter and shared a video of what she claimed to be BMC officials in her private property. This is the Manikaratnika Films office in Mumbai. It took 15 years of hard work to achieve this. It was one of my dreams to have my own office if I ever got the opportunity to become a filmmaker. But now it looks like my dream is going to be destroyed. Today, some BMC officials showed up unannounced. Thalipili actor Ishan Khattar says, "I don't know how I see myself involved." Ishan Khattar is constantly trying to evolve as an actor and says that his aspiration with every character is to be able to give himself completely to it. Ishan made his acting debut with Iranian film director Majidi Majid's film Beyond the Clouds. His Bollywood debut was Dhadak, the Hindi remake of the popular Marathi film Sairat. Recently, he shared screen space with Tabu in Meera Nayar's BBC miniseries A Suitable Boy, based on Vikram Sheth's acclaimed novel of the same name. "I don't know how I see myself involved. I just try to evolve. My aspiration with every character is to be able to give myself over to it completely so that I can immerse myself in the world to be able to do justice to that character," Ishan Khattar told. Radhika Apte on nepotism rose. Success is not just about being born into a family. Actress Radhika Apte felt the nepotism conversation is complicated and not just related to the film industry. "I don't know to be a part of this discussion, really," Radhika told when asked about the ongoing nepotism discussion, adding, "It is not just about the insider and the outsider, it's a large discussion. There is not one answer to it. As a society, we have supported nepotism a lot, and it's not just the film industry. In order to change everything, we will all need to change how we look at it," she added. Friends, this is it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like the video and share the video with your friends. Do subscribe for regular updates and click the bell icon. See you in the next video very soon. Till then, stay safe and be healthy.